Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another motivational story, and this story focuses on power of hope. So I hope you like it. So let us begin. It was a peak winter morning when he left for his day trek from his hotel. It was his long awaited dream to go for a trek in the Himalayas, and this was his opportunity to fulfill his desire. Their group had reached their excursion point in the morning, but they were told to wait. The delay was caused due to the overcast weather in the morning, which is not suitable for such treks. But as the day progressed, the weather improved, and as a result, the trek started in the afternoon. He was overjoyed by the fact that everything was falling into place, and he was actually trekking on this beautiful trail. His excitement caused him to move faster than the rest of the group, and he slowly separated himself from the group and moved ahead. As he completed the first phase of the trek, the weather took a serious turn and it started to rain. Before he could react, there was a bright light which almost instantly filled his field of view, and an insanely loud noise followed it. It was so intense that he fell on the ground, with his hands covering his eyes and ears. He almost fainted, but was just partially awake. With blurry vision, he slowly tried to open his eyes, and he saw pieces of a huge tree falling on the narrow dirt track, completely blocking it. The tree was charred and was still burning in some places. It was clear that he just witnessed a lightning strike. As he tried to stand, he felt a pain in his leg, and as he bent down to see it, he could see it was injured and blood was dripping from the wound. It appeared that his leg was injured because of the wood shrapnel flying around. Emotionally shaken from the ordeal, he did not know what to do. He started to think what to do while holding his face in his hands, when he suddenly remembered what his father told him. There are going to be situations and circumstances which are tough and are beyond human capacity, and it will take everything left within you to overcome such situations. Right when you know there is nothing left in you, there is one thing which nobody can take away from, which is hope. Hope of a better future allows us to find those deep pockets of strength within us and help us move forward. As he remembered these words, he felt an energy flowing in his body. This energy pushed him to stand up and get to safety. He stood up, tied his t-shirt on the wound, broke off a piece of wood from the tree and used it as a support, and started to walk back to the excursion point. What saved his life was the hope that he will make it back. When we are in tough situations, we can activate our responses and fight it out. But in the normal course of life, we forget this force within us. What matters is tapping onto this force. Remember, hope can make it possible if you keep on working. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you really like this story, so please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Please stay tuned to my channel.